Welcome back to the channel. Today we were doing a bunch of mods to the S4, purely aesthetics this time. We're doing the ECS Tuning front lip, the rear diffuser, side skirts, and then I got one little carbon fiber goodie we're gonna be placing on the antenna. I got my boy Olu and Jimmy here today. Olu brought his brand new RS5, which is looking sweet. Real proper in the white collar. Also, there's a ton of motorcycles going on today. So we're gonna get going, unboxing all the stuff we got from ECS, the full front lip kit, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser, and then the rear bumper side skirt. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's the rear bumper side fins. We'll get the car jacked up and we'll get going. Front part too. So I'm thinking that we're gonna do the front lip first because it probably is gonna be the most involved. So we'll get the hardest install out of the way first, and then we'll do the rear, the sides, and then whatever fender flare and the carbon fiber last. But we have the three-piece because my car is the B9. The 2019 had like a mid facelift, so the 18s have a different face, and then the 2019s had a redesigned face with a bigger inlet on the bumpers, and then they moved to the refresh on the facelift. So there's like a facelift and then a pre-facelift. So the 19s get the three-piece. Here's the first piece of the front, this guy right here, and then we'll have two additional side pieces that we're gonna screw into the bumper. I think it's this piece right here. All right. Yeah, I think that's what this is.
Yep.
Question is, are there actually holes, or we gotta pre-drill the holes?
Yeah, you got to. Usually, you got to pre-drill them.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm assuming this one's probably not that side. Definitely not that side. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't think we're gonna need to take the bumper off.
No.
I don't think so at all.
Yeah, I didn't take mine off. I just used self-tappers, but again, some people don't like that.
Yeah. Let's see, I think ECS did send the self-tap.
Oh, was that what they sent with it?
Yeah, the climate seal. It's these guys, right?
Yep, those are self-tappers.
Cool, so we got two boxes. Hopefully it's enough. We'll jack her up, screw her in.
That's what it takes.
The pressure right now to get the tape off.
You never know.
You never know. Now you see me, now I go. Alright, so line up, and yep, now it's lined up. So what's the angle? You just gotta be the angle, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're in. Okay. Jesus Christ. Step back and break the fucking side skirts. I like it. It looks good so far. Yeah, nice. That's fine.
That was tough. I gotta hit the squat rack more, dude, to get that.
This ain't coming down. Pretty snug in there. Well, we have to take off the bumper, man. Now we got the grill fog overlays, or as Olu likes to call them, the mustache. If I'm gonna like these or not, but the best part is they're only stuck on my 3M, so if we do not like the way this looks, we're just gonna yank them right off. But we're gonna put it on, see how she goes. No drilling required, just the hardest thing is peeling off this tape. Yep. Alright guys, the front is done. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the fog overlays. I don't know if we're going to keep them. I feel like these would look better on a darker colored car because it would be less of a contrast and kind of mold more into the bumper. We're going to keep them for now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about that. We're going to move on to the side skirts next, and then we'll get to the rear diffuser, and then I got a carbon fiber antenna we're going to put on top. So let's unbox the side skirts, and then I'm assuming they're going to self-tap up to the side. But we will figure this out. And some lengthy boys. All right. Nice. Nice. All right. Oh wow, there's a lot of holes in there. Holy shit.
Some holes in this house.
Advice from Olu: use the jack stand to help position the side skirt. Then we'll get the front and the back tapped in.
Yep. That's if you're Mr. Lonely Guy.
That's
That's how you do it by yourself. You use the jack to do it. More self-tappers.
Holy shit. Lots of screwing around today. Jesus Christ, I'll stop.
Screw, buddy.
Finishing up the sides. I think he just finished now. The side skirts were tricky. They were pretty tricky. If you didn't have it in the right angle, it was kind of hard to tap the screws in. But eventually we were able to readjust, figure it out, and then get the screws in aligned properly. But there's a lot of holes. It takes a while. You're gonna need more than one person for sure, at least to get it lined up and held. So if you're doing the side skirts, have a buddy or two with you because it'll make your life a lot easier. Right now we're gonna unbox the rear diffuser. We're gonna install the rear diffuser in the back, and then we just have the side fins, the rear side skirts that go on the bumper, and then the carbon fiber antenna, and we're done for the day. But so far it's looking great. I think the side skirts really add to it. The front bumper's growing on me a bit, but we'll see when we lower it down how it really looks, because it's kind of hard to see it, a good judgment when it's lifted up on a jack. So let's unbox the rear diffuser, and then we'll install it right away. Like clips.
Oh, what is that?
What?
Is that like an egg or something? It was in my car.
What the fuck is it? It's like a cocoon.
Yeah.
It's the only reason.
And it's kind of juicy there, boss.
Yes, I will marry. This is a residential.
Her name Karen's me. I am no Karen.
Alright, I am just gonna assume that we can.
Be careful.
See, oh, here's the sensor. That's what I was talking about. We gotta make sure we take that out.
Do you want me to get some black electrical tape?
Actually, duct tape probably would be better. Bottom piece is screwed in first, and then I'm going to take the plastic off and then fully clip it in. I think that's the move. Okay. Take the plastic off. Are you guys wanting kids like immediately, or okay, so as you guys know, we wrapped the roof black, but the antenna we wrapped as well. and that came undone in like 3 days. So I was looking for solutions. I saw this on ECS. It is a carbon fiber antenna cover. We'll pop it on. All right, you just gotta stick it on.
It's just slightly too big.
All right, we got the rear diffuser fins, and that's the last thing we got. And we are all set for the day, but it is looking pretty good. That looks okay.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. That's it, boy. That's it. That's gonna do it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The front end of the car has been completely transformed. I'm loving the gloss black side skirts as well as the new diffuser. The front end is aggressive. I like it. We're gonna keep it for now. But just let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the ECS kit. But so far, I'm really digging it. It looks great. Big shout out to Olu. Link his channel in the description below. If you guys have been following his channel, you got a brand new RS5. We'll definitely have to do a feature on that car on the channel. And then probably have him take a ride in the S4 as well, do a little collab.
We could do a heads-up race too.
Or we could do a heads-up race. We could do it.
Ship the cars to Mexico.
Yep. Little trip to Mexico in the works, boys. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for ECS for getting us the body kit. And thank you for clicking on this video to watch. We will definitely see you guys in the next one.